Hi friends, welcome back once again, and in this video I'm going to explain the program both in English and Hindi. So first I'll start with English. The program is something like this, that what we're going to do is we're going to take two inputs from the user, add them and show it on the screen. So for doing that, let's take a small example from maths. Let's say that you have an x variable, and that x variable you want to store some value, that is 3. Let's take a second variable, that is y. We'll store the value 5 into it. So in the first variable, that is x, we have 3, and in the second variable y we have 5. Now suppose that if we want to add these both of them, we'll write something like x plus y. So this x plus y I want to store in some another variable, or maybe in some another alphabet. So let's take an example z. So it will be something like this, z equal to x plus y. So x plus y is going to give me answer as 3 plus 5, and that answer will be 8, and this 8 will be stored in your z. So now let's take an let's see how we can write it in our programming also. So in our programming, what you have to do is, now since x is an variable, or it's a container which is going to store an integer value, therefore we have to give it a data type called as integer. Same thing is applied for y also and for z also, because when we add both of them, the last answer which we are going to get is an integer only. Therefore the data type of z will also be an integer. So if we just imagine in front of us, the program will be something like this, that is int x, y, z, and after that, if you want to take the input from the user, you have to write cin and cout statements for x and y, and after that there will be only one line that says that z equal to x plus y, and at last you have to show the answer. That will be your answer is, and then value of z. So it is very easy to understand how to actually write a simple program to accept two numbers, add them and show it to the user, or maybe to anyone on your screen. So that was Martin Yadav from math2code.com. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. So now let's go back to our whiteboard and see how to do it, or how to understand it, and then we'll go to our Turbo C++, write the program and run it.